Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and in tonight's free video, I wanted to bring you two of my favorite picks, the first of which is Tesla. So if we want to bring some clarity to this daily chart, we start by stepping back and looking at the weekly. You've got a really important level here that any of you that have studied Fibonacci will probably be familiar with, but it's taken this lifetime high down into the big corrective low that was made afterwards, and then just making note of the 618 retracement of that move. So you can see that that was an important area of inflection back here, continued to show us resistance over the course of the past 3 weeks. And this is the big make or break level, basically to say that if you can clear, or when we clear that 618 retracement, we then open the door to these 1272 extensions. And I love the way that this extension is just almost right at the big round number of 1,000. That's to say that the 1,000 target is basically where we are headed, provided we stay above these lows. And I have every, I hate to say confidence, but I do have an opinion that, and I think it's an easy one to make, right? Like they're so far below us, but it's just this very big picture that helps me create my roadmap for what I'm wanting to accomplish on a day-to-day basis. So with no particular time horizon, this is where I think we're going. Then we get down into the decisions that you can take into Friday and into next week. One interesting thing that Tesla's been doing here, and of course now that it's so easily identified, the odds of it doing it a third time, I'm not so sure on. But you see how you had this big volatile Monday, and then you ground higher throughout the entire week, and then we just repeat it on Monday, all right? Volatile Monday, though not as volatile, you do not take out those lows, and then we've basically just ground higher. Now, of course, today just being Thursday, but you know, Friday could show you similar action. If you continue to fail at this 618 retracement and you have some type of gap down on Monday, I think that would be an excellent opportunity to buy it pretty much anywhere down into here, and then look for your shorter term swing target of 780. And then if you're trying to work an investment perspective, you know, hold on to something for the 1,000 print. So I like that a good deal. If you want to take one other chart away with you from this setup, it's the 195-minute squeeze. So I won't spend this whole video explaining the squeeze, but looking for the compression and expansion of volatility, that looks like a signal that is primed to move, and I wanted you to have it on your watch list with those levels as you get into next week. And then the other is Snapchat. Here you can see not as clean in the 195-minute, but really more so a setup on the daily. And here you can see a squeeze that's been in play since about the middle of August. So all this time of trading sideways, I believe, is going to result in higher prices. Now, there is a very real case where we come back into something like 73, you know, get back into the middle of the range, tag the 21 EMA. If it is down into those prices tomorrow or sometime in the middle of next week, I believe that is a discount, and I would be buying more of this, looking for a move up into 83. The easy move, if there is such a thing, will be a push back up above the lifetime high, and then we look into 83 and extensions overhead. So I hope that helps and gives you a couple of swing setups to have on your watch list getting into next week, and we'll see you at the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with Simpler Trading. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If so, be sure to like and comment down in the section below, and if you'd like to be notified, click the little bell icon to stay on top of when these videos are published in the future. If you'd like to see us trade our own money in real time, be sure to visit simplertrading.com on more details about joining our chat room. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.